Hi, I'm Sabina from Contabo. If your website is growing, congratulations, that's a great sign. But more visitors also mean more pressure on your VPS. So today, I'll walk you through how to scale your Contabo VPS step by step with a focus on VPS optimization, server performance and load management. Before you upgrade to a bigger plan, let's first optimize what you have. VPS optimization helps squeeze the best performance out of your current setup. Let's say you're running a WordPress site on a Contabo VPS. Here's what you can do. Install a caching plugin like WP, Supercache, or use Redis for dynamic content. Also compress your images with tiny PNG and enable gzip in your web server. To improve global load times, you can connect your site to a CDN like Cloudflare. It pairs great with Contabo's global network. If you use MySQL, open phpMyAdmin and remove overhead in your tables, or run MySQL Tuner via the terminal to spot bottlenecks. Now let's monitor your server performance. Use HTOP to see what's hugging your CPU and memory. If you see constant spikes, it's time to plan your next move. Contabo offers detailed performance stats right inside your customer control panel, so you don't need external tools to get started. There are two main ways to scale your Contabo VPS, vertically and horizontally. Vertical scaling is easy, you can always upgrade your VPS package. For high-growth applications like online stores or SaaS dashboards, horizontal scaling is ideal. You can run separate VPS instances for front-end, back-end and database and connect them with a load balancer like HAProxy or NGINX. Speaking of traffic, let's look at load management. If you expect traffic surges, configure NGINX as a reverse proxy to offload work from your app. This is especially useful if you host your app front-end on one of Contabo VPS and your database on another. Separating your database onto its own Contabo VPS can reduce latency and make backups simpler. Just ensure secure internet connection using SSH tunnels or private networking. Use UFW to block all ports except what you need, typically SSH, HTTP and HTTPS. Then install Fail2Ban to guard against brute force login attempts. Backups are critical. Use rsync for fast local backups or set up remote backups using Contabo's S3 compatible object storage. You can also enable auto backup directly in your Contabo dashboard. It's the easiest way to protect your server. Scaling your VPS doesn't need to be difficult. Optimize first, monitor your performance and scale vertically or horizontally depending on your site's needs. And with Contabo's flexible VPS plans, upgrading is easy and cost-effective. If you found this guide helpful, like this video, subscribe for more Contabo tutorials, and drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy hosting with Contabo!